Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix MailerLite login issues, account and approval errors step by step clearly. If you're experiencing login issues with MailerLite, follow these steps to resolve account and approval errors. First, ensure that you are entering the correct email address and password. Double-check for any typos in your login credentials. If you're unsure of your password, click on the Forgot Password link and follow the prompts to reset it. Next, check your internet connection to ensure it's stable. A weak connection can impede the login process. If possible, switch to a different network and try logging in again. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, as outdated data can cause login problems. To do this, go to your browser settings and locate the privacy section. Select the option to clear browsing data, ensuring cookies and cached images are included. Once that's done, restart your browser and attempt to log in again. If you still face issues, try using a different browser or incognito mode. This can help determine if the problem lies within your current browser settings or extensions. Additionally, verify that you do not have any browser extensions or plugins that could be blocking the MailerLite site. Temporarily disable them and retry logging in. If you've recently created your account, check your email for a confirmation message from MailerLite. Sometimes, accounts require approval before logging in for the first time. If you see the confirmation email, follow the instructions to activate your account. In case you don't receive the email, check your spam or junk folder. If the email is still missing, request a new confirmation email from the MailerLite website. If none of these steps work, try reaching out to MailerLite support for further assistance. Provide them with as much detail as possible about the issue you are facing. They can guide you through account-specific problems or privacy concerns that may be affecting your login. Following these steps should help you resolve your MailerLite login issues effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.